Today in this video, I'm gonna explain remove screen passcode iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 series without computer and losing any data. If you forget your iPhone passcode, using different remember passcodes to unlock your iPhone several times, now your iPhone locks and it shows iPhone unavailable. Try again in 1 minute. Then try this. Use volume up and lock button to power off your device. Then power on. Now tap on emergency. Enter the following code. Hit the call logo and try this repeatedly. Now you can see the pop-up error performing request unknown error. Tap on dismiss. Again hit the call logo and try this repeatedly. Here you can see your iPhone screen passcode successfully unlocked.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.